scatter like leaves in a bind. The sky is heavy, clouds never clear. Time dissolves, but I'm still here. Each step feels like a weight I bear, lost in a world where nothing's fair. Crying in silence, the storm inside, a constant battle, nowhere to hide. But from the darkness I will rise, even with shadows in my eyes. One step forward, though the path is long. In this storm I'll still hold strong. Tiny winds, though they seem so small, in this chaos they mean it all. The winds may scream, but I won't fall. In this silent storm I stand tall. The ground shifts like sand in my hands, but I keep moving through uncertain lands. Dreams fade like whispers in the night, but I hold on to the smallest light. With each storm